Hi guys, this is Ali Ahmed. I'm in hour 2 of Principles of Biomedical Sciences, and today I'm going to be talking to you about blood. Okay, there are two types of blood cells. There are red blood cells and there are white blood cells. Red blood cells make up 45% of our blood, and white blood cells only make 1% of our blood. Red blood cells are shaped like flat discs, kind of like this. And white blood cells are shaped in an irregular form, kind of like this. Yes, my artistic abilities are amazing. Red blood cells live for about 120 days, and white blood cells live for a few days. But if it's a healthy body, it can live up to a few years. Red blood cells transport oxygen from the lungs to the tissue, and white blood cells defend the body from various infections. Red blood cells have hemoglobins, and white blood cells have antibodies. And we'll talk more about that later. Okay, so here are some general ideas about what is going on inside those red blood cells and those white blood cells. These little triangles right here are called membrane proteins. They're also known as antigens. If a piece of bacteria or a virus goes into your body, it has to go through this. If a white blood cell doesn't recognize that piece of bacteria in the virus with this cell, then antibodies come and attach and help kill that piece of bacteria or virus. We'll do some more examples here. Here are a few examples of how antibodies kill an unrecognizable substance going into your body. Let's say a virus strolls into your mouth and is now a part of your body. The antigens don't recognize it, and it automatically sends an immune response to the antibodies. So the virus is shaped like this, and it's supposed to match like this, but it doesn't match, so that is a no-no. The antibodies come and they save the day, and they completely abolish that stupid virus. So here are the antibodies. They attach to the virus, and they completely abolish it. It is gone. And it's alright if you get the flu or cold, because all this stuff is being practiced in your body right now. So eventually you'll get better. Just a matter of time. The last thing I'll be talking about today, and certainly not the least, is blood types. There are 4 blood types: A, B, AB, and O. So if bacteria comes into a type A blood body, then the membrane proteins should have B antibodies, because to them A is good. If it is a type B blood body, it should have A antibodies. If it is a type AB blood body, then it should have no antibodies, because to them both A and B are good. If it is a type O blood body, it should have AB antibodies, because to them both of them are bad. I hope that this podcast helped you learn more about blood, and hopefully I did it in a non-boring fashion. Thank you.